Okay, I'm gonna do the. I just took the seal, the CV joint seal off, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put a new seal on for Ford Focus 2009. That's the part number, Ford Focus 2009. Okay, I'm not getting paid by any of these companies. I'm just showing you the part number. Ford Focus 2009 automatic. So I just took it off, and I'm gonna put the new one. So to be able to put the new one in, you make sure this hole right here is nice and clean, and it looked like they tried to change it before. For me to be able to take it out, I'm gonna show you from here because I didn't have my camera before. But for me to be able to take it out, I went like this. That goes over there, and then I went like this, and then I went like this, and so on. Once that's why this is twisted like that, because it was already broken. But I went like this, so it comes out. So it's out now. So for me to be able to put it back in, we're gonna use we're gonna put grease inside there. We're gonna put some grease in it. Any kind of grease. Grease is grease. Whatever grease is there, you just put in. That's the new one. That's the new seal that I'm gonna put in. But I put it inside the grease so I could have it available. But whatever kind of grease you put in is grease, and it's okay. Just put some on it, because as it goes in, it'll go into the bearing that's inside there too. So it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal to put a lot on it. So now we put a lot on it. Now we're gonna put a lot on the seal. And we could do this like this. Watch it like this. We could do it like that. Then we just go, and then we just wrap it around it. Now we got pretty much okay a lot of grease in it. But we put some grease in the inside over here, where the rubber is. There you go. Now it's completely soaked of grease, and that part over there has a lot of grease too over there inside the shaft, the shaft hole, the hole of the shaft. Then we put this over here like this. We try to put it as straight as possible as we can, because we're gonna push it in. Oh Jesus! Don't let it fall down, because if it falls down, it's not a good idea. Oh, now it got dirty. I gotta clean it up. I gotta clean this up. Okay, so I'm back, and we're gonna try to put the seal back again into the hole right there. Right there. Okay, I got the seal back again. I'm gonna put grease on it again, and hope that this time we don't get in any kind of trouble. Hope that this time it will not fall down. But in case it falls down, I'm gonna bring a piece of cardboard and put it in the floor over there, just to make sure everything is fine with it. everything is gonna be fine. So I put enough grease on it in the back I put enough grease on it, so where it should go. Now I'm just gonna set it in without trying to push it in. I'm gonna set it in without trying to push it in over there. I'm gonna do it from the maybe I'll go from the bottom. Let me see. Maybe I go from the bottom so I don't block the view of the camera. Let me see. Right here, like this. So I'll leave it right there for right now. Let me go get a big cardboard. I think they're pretty secure now. Oh, it's ready to go in now. Okay, it's ready to go in. Okay, let me show you. I'm gonna show you my, I'm gonna show you my special tool that I made. This is an exhaust extension connector. So I'm gonna use this one to help me push it in because this fits right there perfectly fine for it to push it in like that. You see that? It fits perfectly okay. So we're gonna push it in like that, very gently and slowly. Okay, so bear with me. I hope I could show you how that goes, because the cameras, it looked like the camera. So no, I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine. So I'm gonna push it in. I'm gonna give it little taps with my hammer. I'm gonna do little taps with my hammer like that, and then like that. It seems like it's going in, but I'm not sure yet. If it goes a little crooked to the inside of this side, you push that side. If it goes down, you push up, and so on, little by little, because it has to slide in little by little. Let me get my other hammer. Let me see. Let me go right there, like that. Yes. Now and let's go little by little, because we don't want to. See, Yeah, it looks like it's going slowly. Okay. Okay. It's giving me a hard time over here for it to go in. Yeah. Yes. Let me see. Okay. I need a little room so I could push that in a little further. So, moving that back up a little bit. Don't want it to break. It doesn't look like it's gonna break. Okay, there you go, it's in. I'm gonna clean it up a little on the outside for you to look at it. Okay. So I got it done. This lip right there, excuse me, this lip right here has to be flush with the edge of the transmission over there, and it's already in, all the way in. It's already all the way in. Maybe a little bit on this one, on this side over here. Only one more little tap over here on this side, maybe on this side over here, like that, maybe. Just to make sure it's fine. Oh, excuse my camera, I moved it, I'm sorry. But this is my tool I made. This is an exhaust connector. And you I'm using a baseball bat, aluminum baseball bat. It could have, a wooden one probably would have worked also. but you have to drill through a 3-inch a 3-inch screw. You drill it through so you could get an end here and an end here. So it stops whenever you do the pushing. Look at it. There you go, right there. If you let it go through from the inside, when you're doing the work, when you're doing the pushing and it goes through, you could push this. You could push this broken and break it and so you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. If it went through, it will ruin it. You will ruin your seal. And if you don't have another one available, you have to wait until the part arrives. But it's done. Look at it. Right there. It's put on, and now thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and you share it, give it likes. I appreciate it. Have a nice day. All right. Well, not really. I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna put my axle now. My axle's gonna go through. So now I got the axle right there. Yes. And it's going to go into the hole right there. Right there. This middle part has to align with that over there and has to click on it. Let me clean it up a little bit, okay? Because it's good.